Hi everybody, here is a quick craft with Dollar Tree items and a lovely piece of scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. We're going to take a Dollar Tree frame and pop out the back and the glass and the little hickey there. Now take your insert and trim your paper to fit. You can usually get these papers for $1 at Hobby Lobby when you catch them on sale, so it's a really good deal. Now you can use your glass or not. I chose to use the glass and put that back in, get it all fixed up, fasten it in, and choose one of these metal signs from the Dollar Tree, whichever one you like best. A couple of them are really cute. Figure out how you want it on there. And I use this tape, craft tape, to affix the believe up here in the corner. You can use hot glue or glue gel. I would say that the glue gel would probably be best. I took apart one of these cute picks from the Dollar Tree to embellish the corner here. Now this is a cute quick craft for backgrounds, staging, you know, to put a bunch of other little decor together in a corner or on top of the table or a shelf just to add. Now, I forgot to clean the glass here. Remember to use your finger protectors when you're using hot glue. And remember to clean your glass if you decide to use glass. Now you can just do it without the glass for a matte finish. And I wanted the shiny finish, but I totally boneheaded out on shining up my glass before I put my embellishments on. But here it is, and it's super cute. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and comment and share, but come back and see me.